day again. It's been hot for like 3 months, it feels like. No breaks in the future, but got a call from the customer here. Nice property. We do a lot of work in this gated community. We got to do this driveway, the curbing, walkway, and there's a driveway over here with a little walkway. So hitting our low spot first. That's what we want to do because it's going to hold water. And is what I like to do, or is what I found out with my experience, is that, or our experience rather, is that when you do stuff like this and water sits, if you walk away from it, and what happens is it just, you know, as long as the yard's not flooded. In our case, we haven't had rain, it seems like, in months, but it'll contract into the ground, so it'll get soaked up. And you can come back and spray the debris off of it real quick. But I mean, sometimes you can't beat it though. I mean, it's just tough. So we got enough hose parked strategically here so we can hit that one and this one. We run the 200 foot of 3/8 high pressure on that whisper wash right now. It's hot. We got the gun out. What we use in our tips, you know, I get some questions about that. So let me show you guys. This is the wine. I use this for everything. I don't even use the colored things. But on here we use the J-Rine that we have for the 9 gallon a minute. And we don't never use this J-Rine for anything but really just this tip. So I could actually take it out and use it, but we just left it together in case we ever need it. So anyway, that's what it is. So we'll be in and out of here pretty quick. You know, it's funny, because you get calls from the customers. Hey, look, you know, this was a no, this was a Google call. Google. He's like, oh yeah, I want to get this done. Come out and quote it accordingly. The customer says he's kind of in a hurry. I don't know if he's selling a house or whatever, but kind of in a hurry about it. And I said, okay, no problem. So we gave him a price, responsible price, got the deal. And he says, how long, you know, can you get it done? I said, yeah, it may take it maybe an hour by the time we get there and do everything else. He's like, what? So I don't know if they're looking and thinking that, you know, we're using the wine tip and doing the whole driveway, but you know, it just goes to show you efficiency is about everything, you know. Treat people right, and it'll be good. But you know, I did notice other things in this house. I always do that when I walk around. Behind this, that window sill is nasty. Windows could be clean. You can see up here we got growth on the window. But we're not here for that. We're here for what we got hired for. That's what we're gonna do. So we'll catch up. Let's get rolling on this project now. Anthony's blazing through it. We usually put water down, but we just didn't do it today. It ain't that bad of a driveway, so normally we'll put some water down prior to help loosen some things up. Sometimes it seems to help, I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're doing, and we'll get rolling. Peace. Here's the before post-treatment product. We do have some standing water here and here. We had to sludge out, went ahead and soaked that up. Been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Almost finished this section over here. We got a nice drain over here, so that's beautiful. Get that done. We already got half the curbing, so we need to catch this half. And we're out of here. Let me tell you guys, if you're out in the heat, drink it up. I don't care what you drink something. It's hot. We just taking turns on the surface cleaner because it's so hot. Anthony's got glasses, not even wearing them, so I don't know what's up. But anyway, we'll catch up. Peace. This is just water, guys. Don't freak out on me. So I'm just kind of wetting this down because, you know, of course we get more overspray with the AR. So I got it on 100 PSI. So the PSI is not that much. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it. Hit this and roll with it. See, we got some wind, so that's kind of why I'm doing what I'm doing. Anyway, all right, guys, we'll catch up in a minute. Peace. So we're gonna end here, right? Got it done. The good thing about hot days, it soaks up quick. Looking real good. All that black came off around this drainage pipe, so we're good. Catch up. All Pro Exterior Services here at another property. This was another referral. Little vinyl house. Should be easy peasy, Japanesey. See, you got some growth here. Nothing over there? No. Go check it out. We're just doing a walk around for property protection to see what's going on. Let's see. Looks good. Very dirty. A little oxidation. Ain't too bad. Got some vegetation here. This is low voltage internet stuff, so we ain't worried about that. Yeah, we're clear. On the front, let's see if we got any Ring doorbells. I always like to check that. Nope. Okay, not even a doorbell. Look at that. Anyway, got the rig hooked up, got water pumping. Anthony's on PP. These are not cameras, they are lights. So we're gonna bag them. And we got 4 up lights here, FX lighting, that's landscaping lighting. So we're gonna go ahead and bag them, but we're gonna go ahead and, I'm probably gonna go ahead and get rolling on this side over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this up, get some videos in a minute. Let's go ahead and go through our settings. Water wide open. Bleach on, let's go a little bit above the black because we don't need much here. Remember, you gotta switch it to bleach. Soap at about 5. So we're golden. Let's make sure we got soap. We used on the last job. Use quite a bit of soap. Ooh, we low on soap. Alright, we're gonna get rolling. We'll catch up in a minute. Peace. Just watering this down a little bit. I already put a little bit of water on it, so I don't even know if they want that vine, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this down a little bit too. That's all fake right here, so we ain't gonna worry about that, but I'll probably do up to, oh, that's fake too. Alright, let's get rolling. Soap on. Remember, you got about 30-45 seconds in that range. Every system is different, so check yours. I'm gonna walk this way to wash this side. And hey Tony, pull me some more hose when you're done with that, and I hit that backside. And then we'll go this way, hit this, and then back, and then, you know, rinse it off. Waiting on soap. There we go. Got the magic, got the sauce. Got the sauce. Let me back up and hit right here. Okay. Nice little vinyl. I like washing these vinyls. Very simple. Spray, sit, rinse. Most times you don't have a lot of scrubbing going on here in the vinyl. In the vinyl sector, as we say. You notice the roof on here, right? Be cognizant of your roofs. If you get overspray on them, you want to rinse them. Try not to get overspray, but you know, sometimes it happens. Nobody's perfect. So I should be able to hit this back too. Oh yeah. Nice. Get them corners right there too. Looking good. Getting bleach all over y'all. That's money right there. Y'all gotta get it right. Okay. We'll let this sit down for a little bit. That's it, guys. That's all it is. Soap off. Pull the antenna. I think the battery's going dead on this remote, but it's all good. Okay. Just run the soap out. No need to waste it. With that eliminator, I keep telling you guys that. Okay, all done. let it work, and then we'll make sure my line's cleaned out here. Uh-oh, we got a falling shed. Oh, look at that. It's already working. Working that magic, baby. So we're going to go ahead and, what I'm doing now is I'm rinsing my line out. And the reason I'm rinsing my line out so I can go in the front and hit any vegetation that we may disturb while this sits. Follow me? And you can also come back and hit your vegetation right here. You got any on a roof, it's a good time to go ahead and hit that roof. We haven't gotten rain here in a minute, so it's been crazy. Make sure you get that board good. Any overspray on the window, you know, things like that. That's just what we do. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and Tony's almost done with property protection, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse some of this down, get ready for the front. Those are all fake plants, so don't freak out on me. Customer already said, oh, you ain't worried about them, he's throwing half of them away. I'm just soaking this wood down because you know how wood is. If it ain't sealed, it's gonna spot. So, gotta be careful of that customer's property. I keep telling y'all that. Okay, let's see how this is going. Looking good to me. Keep them windows nice and wet so you're gonna get no. All right. Oh yeah, coming off. So you may take another 5 minutes. Let's do a test spot. See, melting right off. Look at that. I mean, you can rinse it right now if you wanted to, but I'm probably gonna let it sit. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse this. We're halfway done. Front, side, out. 25 minutes. Peace.